People constantly overlook the fact that the body can only heal when the correct part of the nervous system is activated. Unfortunately, in modern times, we spend most of our days overstimulating our nervous system, and that eventually leads to poor vagus nerve functioning, and that leads to chronic inflammation, disease, and ultimately biochemical breakdown of the body. It's impossible to have a well-functioning immune system unless you bring balance to your nervous system. In my upcoming workshop, The Healing Powers of the Vagus Nerve, on May 15 and 18 is 2 sessions, a longer session and a mini session. I will share with you why the vagus nerve is so important to our health, what can go wrong with it, and how that affects the whole body. I will share a whole range of body and mind-based approaches that have been shown to improve the vagus nerve function. I will share brilliant information, practical and easy. See what it feels like to calm your nervous system. Join me and take your healing to a different level.